look at the time, so I just want to quickly show you guys the room that I'm staying at the Pudung farmhouse. So just a quick room tour. This is my room. Let me take you guys inside. So let's get in. So this is the room. This is the first thing that you see when you get in. Alright, so this is what you see the moment you enter. This is the washroom. Quick door. And this is the room. Please don't mind the mess. It's kind of messy. This is the bed. That's the mirror. That's a cupboard. Mess. Ignore that. This is the outside. That is what I was showing you guys. That is the local music bar, so you guys can like go there, chill, relax, and attend different instruments. You have the TV here, and this is the private balcony. All the rooms at Pudung Farm has a private balcony. Let me open up. So this is how it opens. Alright, so yeah, this is the balcony area, so you guys can go. Tell the music buzz this up, but you need to perform where this is, na. Please ignore that. This is the fridge, mini fridge. I don't have anything there. It's winter, so it's closed. So yeah, this is the private balcony. That's my face towel. Ignore that again. And this is the view that you get from here. Such a beautiful day today. So yeah guys, that was a very quick room tour for you all. Chung chung, chung chung. Let me do a 360. This is the outside. There's this local music bar right now. Alright guys, so I just got back from Pudung right now, from the fest, and look what I came home to. My Google AdSense pin arrived, and that means I can now start receiving payments from Google, and this wouldn't have been possible if you guys didn't support me. So thank you so much guys. I'm really grateful to all of you, and yeah, this was something that was on my bucket list, and it's like long awaited, and she's also here, and she also wanted to be in the video, by the way. And मैले सोध्नु रे उलाई, ओ प्रवानी तिमीले के खाको भनेर. So I'm gonna ask, ओ प्रवानी तिमीले के खाको? Bauli. Bauli. And look at my hair. My hair is so color because it has been hectic, but it has been really fun. Also thanks to everybody who was a part of the Pudung Farm Fest. It's gonna be like a monthly event, so see you guys next month as well. I know. Alright, so I was editing today's video, and I just realized that I haven't shared all the stuff that the stall owners gifted me, and I quickly wanted to come here and share that with you guys. So I have a few things here. I have these tea bag from Purim Tea. Thank you so much, Andrew Daju. I have all of these bamboo straw and bamboo forks from Anand Bamboo Enterprise. Thank you so much, Anand Daju. I have this cute little bookmark from Crafty Naru. Thank you so much, Norjina. And I also have this handcrafted dark chocolate from Taste Buds. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of the fest, and it was really nice meeting all of you. Roshindi had gifted some shots, the chocolate shots, and I already ate them, so I cannot show them to you guys. But yeah, I really appreciate all of you guys coming to the fest, and I hope I'll see you guys in December as well, 31st, 1st May, na? So yeah guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of the gifts, and yeah, I mean, this made my day today. So yeah, this right here is the heroine of the video, because I got my Google AdSense, and I couldn't have done this without you guys. So yeah, that is what I quickly wanted to come here and say. Now I'm gonna continue editing the vlog and upload it. I'm so sorry, I've been way past my scheduled times, like 4 बजी upload गर्दै थिएँ तर अब 11 बज्दैछ अहिले होइन 2-3 दिनदेखिको. But I hope you guys won't mind that because I've been really busy. So yeah, but from tomorrow I will try to be on time and get excited for some village content really soon on my channel. किनभने भोलिदेखिको we are going to reap the paddies. You know, if you guys didn't know, I have a like sowing paddy video, and the भोलिदेखिको चाहिँ we're gonna start reaping them. किनभने टक्कै धान पाकेर मजाको भइरहेको छ होइन. सो अब चाहिँ काट्ने बेला हो. रोपाइको video is already there, so I'm gonna make काट्ने video as well. So yeah guys, I think that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye. Stay creative and stay curious, people. Peace out.